Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anuj and today in the JavaScript tutorial I'll show you one JavaScript interview question. This question you can say this is freshers level question. My one viewer asked me, so that's why I'm making this video. If you want to know, then you can watch this video and I'll suggest you to don't skip this video. It will be interesting. So here I will just break this question and I will start to write one by one. So first of all I'll read the question. So here you can see write a function that prints number from 1 to 100. Okay, so up to that I will just write a code, right? So first I have to write a function that will print number 1 to 100. So here function, and the function name you can write anything, so I'll write demo. Okay, and here just I'll call this function. How to call? Just simply you have to copy the function name and you have to paste here. Okay, and here how you can print number from 1 to 100. So I can print like this 1, then here again 2. Okay, like this way I can print up to 100, but this is impossible. Like 100 up to 100 you can print, but if it is 1000, 1 lakh, so it is impossible, right? So for that purpose we have one loop. Just we can run the number in a loop. So here for let I, this is the JavaScript syntax. So I equals to 1, because from 1 to 100, if it would be 2 to 100, then I would write here 2 instead of 1. So 1, then semicolon, then here, and one more thing, instead of let you can write here var also, right? Because I is the variable, so variable we can define by var, let, const, so you can write here var also. Whatever you want you can write. And I less than equals to 100. It means I will print up to 100. So I will start print from 1 and it will print from 100, but 2, 3, 4, how it will increase one by one. So I will write I plus plus, means it will start from 1 and it will increase one by one and it will go up to 100. Okay, now if I write console.log I and check, you can see number is printed from 1 to 100. So our first is done. Now but for multiplies of 3, print face, means which number can be multiplied with 3. There instead of printing number, you can see here it is written instead of the number I have to print face. So instead of printing number I have to print this one. So for that purpose here I can write one condition. So I is printing number, right? So here I will check I is printing from 1 to 100, right? So here I will check I can be multiplied by 3 or not. If it is multiplied by 3, then output is 0, right? So I will check if it is multiplied by 3 and the output 0, then here I will write console.log and this one, right? If not, else, so here I will simply print the number means I, right? Because I is increasing 1 by 1 and this is the print, this is printing number, so I will write I. So now let's see. So here you can see 3 is multiplied by 3, it is printed face. Here 6 is multiplied by 3, it is printed face. Same way 9, 12. Okay, so now up to that done. Now here, and for multiplies of 5, print buzz. So same thing I will just copy paste. So here I will write else if. So here I will just check it is multiplied by 5 or not. If it is, then I will print buzz. So now let's see. Here see 5 is multiplied by 5, it is printed buzz. And then 6 is multiplied by 3, then printed face. Same way 9, 10, you can see it is working, right? So now the last one, for numbers which are multiplies of both 3 and 5, then print face buzz. So it is very simple, right? Both the check I have to write. So else if you have already guessed, then you can write in the comment section the code. So okay, so here I have to write the both check. If it is multiplied by 3 and both means multiplies by 5 also, then I will print this one face buzz. So here I write console.log and this one, right? So here the code is done, right? Now if you are thinking this code will work as expected, then you are wrong. You know why? So first of all, I will show you the output. So here 60 can be multiplied by 3 and 5 both, right? So there it should print fish bus. So let's see it is printing or not. So I'll go the number where it is 60. So here you can see after 59 this is 60, but instead of printing fish bus, here it is printed fish. You know why? Because JavaScript code render one by one. So first of all it will come to this condition. When it will come to this condition, so here you can see 60 multiplies by 3, right? So that time here it will enter to this condition and it won't check it is multiplies by 3, that is fine, but it is multiplies by 5 also or not, that it will not check, means it will not render to this condition, means it is not checking it is multiplies by both or not, because when it is coming to this line it is getting, I mean it's already matched, so that time it is printed fish, right? Means it is not entering to the last one. So first of all what I have to do, first of all I have to check which number multiplies by both, there I have to print fish bus. So that's why I have to write this condition first, okay, I mean beginning of the condition. So here and here I write else, means first it will check which number multiplies by 3 and 5 both, there it will print fish bus, and which numbers is not multiplied by 3 and 5, okay, I mean either 3 or 5, so then it will check the number multiplied by 3 or 5. So if it gets 3 multiplied by 3, then it will print fish, and if it get multiplied by 5, then it will print budge, okay. So this one, now let's see here 90 multiplies by 3 and 5 both, so it is printed fish bus. So same way I'll go to the 60 you can see, and again if I go 45 also multiplies by 3 and 5 both, so it is printed fish bus. So I hope you have understood, and if you find this video helpful, so please like this video, also you can subscribe my channel to get more updates.